Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit a green screen video on the CapCut PC. So for this edit, you need to at least have two clips. One is the video with a green screen. I'm going to edit to track first. And the other one is the video that you want to add to the green screen. So here, what you need to do next is drag the green screen video at the top of the main video. So drag it like this, make it as overlay. I'm going to trim it. And then after that, click on the green screen video, go to cutout and activate or turn on the chroma key. Click on the color picker and drag the color picker into the green screen like this. Adjust the strength and also the shadow. And if you don't have a right position for the video, you can just always drag it like this. For example, you want to make it and at the center, it will go like that. And you can always adjust the strength and also the shadow of the chroma key like so. Okay, so when you're done, you can just preview your clips and it will go like this. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done that. Bye!